You see the website on your screen, but there's a whole system working behind it. That's where backend development comes in. Backend development focuses on the server-side part of a web application. It handles the logic and processes that happen behind what users see. For example, when you log in, the backend can receive your request, verify your information, apply the necessary logic, and return a response. Backend development focuses on the server-side part of a web application. It handles the logic and processes that happen behind what users see. Backend systems can also communicate with databases, handle authentication, process transactions, and provide data to the front end. In simple terms, the front end is what users interact with, while the back end powers much of what happens behind the scenes. Both work together to create a functional web application.
Want to learn more about tech? Follow Matt Techies for more.